Welcome to this GiftWorks video. My name is Steve Faithful, and in this video, I'm going to be providing the answer to a frequently asked question that we receive when people are importing information into GiftWorks. The frequently asked question that I'm going to be answering in this video is, when mapping my fields to GiftWorks fields, can I use one import field to fill in multiple GiftWorks fields? The answer to the question is yes, and let me show you what I mean by that practically. When I'm doing an import, if I want to use one field that's contained in, let's say, an Excel spreadsheet to populate multiple fields within GiftWorks, can I do that? And like I said, the answer is yes, you definitely can. Let me show you how you can do that. I'm going to choose a file called import.xls, just an Excel file that you'll see contains donor name, address information, some donation information, and so on. And for instance, one of the things that I could do while I'm mapping, if I wanted to, and I'm just going to map donor first, middle, and last name real quickly. I'm going to ignore some of the address information for the purposes of this video, and I'm going to come down to the donation date 1, and donation amount 1. This represents the first donation date, but let's just pretend that I wanted to use that this donation date 1 represents the first time that this donor was a part of my organization. And so I kind of wanted to record that, not only, like you'll see me do in a moment. Let me move the video over a little bit. So as I map donation 1 date like I normally would to the donation 1 date and donation 1 amount, but I also want to use this date, this one date field right here, as the created date for my donor. So if I come back a little bit, if I want to use this one field, I can click this copy icon to the left of this donation 1 date, and what it's going to do is simply create a copy of this Excel column. Now, it's not actually modifying my Excel spreadsheet, it's simply doing it for the purposes of this import. It's creating a copy of this that I now can use to map to another field. So in this case, I'm going to map it under donor details to the create date of the donor. So I'm using this one date as not only the date of the donation, but also the date for the create date for the donor. So you'll see that how by copying a field, I can use one import field to map to multiple fields within GiftWorks. I could also do that just as a practical example. I'm going to bring the video back a little bit. I can also copy the donation 1 amount and also map that to, if I go under donations, donation, I can also map that to the donation 1 receipted amount, so that I can use one amount to go to multiple places within GiftWorks. So there's a number of practical applications, a number of different ways that you could use that, but by clicking on the copy icon to the left, you're able to use one field for multiple fields within GiftWorks as part of your importer. I hope that's been helpful.